Hello everyone, myself Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. I am endocrinologist. I practice in Delhi and Faridabad. Today I am going to talk about very simple thing, what is endocrinology and who are endocrinologists. As I come to know on daily basis, there are patients who visit me and they never have heard of term endocrinology and endocrinologist. So endocrinology is field of science actually which deals with study of different endocrine glands or diseases of endocrine system. What is endocrine system? So endocrine system consists of different endocrine glands. These are body parts which make different hormones. In our body we have many endocrine glands. The important ones are pituitary gland, which is also called master endocrine gland. It controls function of all other endocrine glands in our body. Pituitary gland makes hormones which controls function of other endocrine glands and function of other hormones. So I'll be discussing again about pituitary gland at the end. The other important glands are thyroid gland and parathyroid glands, which are located in the neck. Then pancreas, which makes important hormones like insulin and glucagon. Then there are gonads, which are testes in men and ovaries in women. And there are adrenals, which are located on the top of kidneys. These all glands make very important chemicals. These chemicals circulate in our blood and they control function of almost each and every other organ like brain, heart, kidneys, liver. These small chemicals secreted by these glands are called hormones. For example, thyroid gland make thyroid hormones which are T3 and T4. Parathyroid gland makes PTH hormone which controls bone health basically. Parathyroid glands make PTH hormone which controls calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood. It affects health of bones. It keeps our bones healthy. And adrenal glands make again many hormones. The important ones are cortisol, aldosterone and androgens. These hormones affect our metabolism. They regulate our blood pressure, they regulate levels of electrolytes like sodium, potassium in our blood, and again any imbalances in level of these hormones can lead to different diseases. The gonads are other important organs which make basically sex hormones. So ovaries make female hormones, testes make male hormones. All these glands and their function is primarily controlled by pituitary gland. Pituitary gland makes other important hormones as well like growth hormone, and then there is prolactin, and these all glands can develop different kinds of tumor as well. So to summarize, endocrine system consists of these important glands like pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenals and ovaries or testes. And endocrinologists are specialists who deal with diseases of all these endocrine glands and hormones, or who are experts in diagnosing and treating different diseases of all these glands and hormones. To know more about endocrinology and endocrine diseases, you can visit my website diabetesandhormone.com, or you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.